Hello friend, in Maithili language learning series today I will talk about vegetable name. We called vegetable tarkari in Maithili. We'll talk only about Central Maithili. There are many variation in Maithili. So we'll talk about only Central Maithili. Cabbage, bandha gobi, cauliflower, full gobi, eggplant, bhatta, onion, प्याज in Maithili, potato, allu in Maithili, ginger, adi in Maithili, garlic, rasun quite similar to Bengali and Assamese, green chili, हरियरका marchai in Maithili, okra, someone says it bhendi, someone says it's ram tore, lemon, nemo, radish, murey, tomato, टमाटर, cucumber, खीरा, coriander leaves we say dhani pat in Maithili, bitter gourds it is known as karel, capsicum is known as Simla Marchai in Maithili, and pumpkin is known as Kadima in Maithili. Thank you.